Okay guys, so real quick, we're just going to replace the battery on a Mercedes-Benz key fob. You just take the emergency key out. To do that, there's a little lever here, a little black lever, and it moves back and forth. When you move it this way, in this direction, it releases the key and you can pop it out, okay? Now, take the key, and in this corner here, in this little corner, you're just going to stick the key into this corner, like this. You're just going to stick it in and push it down, and you'll feel a little pop, and you can see the cover is now popped out, and you can just take a finger and pull it out. So with this cover off, you can now see the single battery. It's a CR2025 battery. You take out the old one and you pop in a new one, and then just put the cover back on. It just clips in here and up there. And that's it. You press the button and you can see the red LED indicator working now. And that's it. It's pretty simple. See you in the next one, guys.